So, want to talk about switchable ABS. As you know, on any off-road terrain where there is loose gravel and mud, uh, switching off the ABS is crucial for any rider or driver to get a better grip on the terrain. So, most of the vehicles now, especially if they are not built for off-road, do not have the switchable ABS option. So I was thinking of making one, and this can be used. This can be applied to any vehicle. The concept is the same. So uh, this is this is my vehicle. Say if it's a Java, this is a Java 42 with dual channel ABS, but not switchable. So what I'm aiming to do is, this is a fuse box. The ABS has a fuse, so we will bypass that fuse by putting a switch. So we're going to remove the good fuse and also use a fuse, because I think it's just better to use a fuse. So this switch will be on the handlebar, and it will in theory operate the ABS. So we're going to install that now and test it and see how it works. Wiring is ready. So basically I removed the two wires of the ABS, that is this one and this one, of the ABS fuse, because connecting an old fuse there in the fuse box and all was not working out. So I removed the wires from the fuse box, connected a separate fuse and a switch, which is now on the handlebar. So in theory the ABS is switchable now, but I have to try it out. So let me test it and see. Okay, so we're testing the switchable ABS switch now. Now the ABS is on. Put off the switch. I put on the switch, so the ABS is off.